Okay, we've got a series question here. We've got series 9 plus 12 plus 15, and it continues. And a two-part question. Find term 20 and find the sum of the first 20 terms. So we'll do this first. Term 20. Well, we know that in general, the nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. So if I want to find term 20, that's going to be term 20 equals a, which is the first term, which is 9, plus 20 minus 1, since n is equal to 20, times d, which is the common difference between these terms. So I can take the second term and subtract the first term. Common difference is 3. And you can see that here. That's 3. That's 3. The next term would be 3 more, which would be 18. So d is 3. So term 20 is going to equal 9 plus 19 times 3. Okay, so 19 times 3 is 57. And 9 plus 57 is 66. So we found term 20. Term 20 is equal to 66. Now the second part of the question is to find the sum of the first 20 terms. And there are actually two formulas we can use there. The one formula is like this. Sn equals n over 2 times, in brackets, 2 times t1, or a, plus n minus 1 times d. Now that's one formula and that'll work. We could use that, but there's another formula we could use, which is this. Sn equals n over 2 times term 1 plus term n. And this one's a little bit simpler, and you would use this if you know what term 1 is and what term n is. And in this case we do. Term 1 is 9, and the 20th term is 66. So S20 is going to equal 20 over 2 times term 1, which is 9, plus term 20, n, which is 66. Okay, so 20 over 2 is 10. 9 plus 66 is 75. And 10 times 75 is 750. Okay, so we could use this formula if we wanted to. We just put in the values. N would be still 20. Term 1 would still be 9. This would be 20 minus 1. And the common difference would be 3, and that would give us 750 as well. But if we know term 1 and term n, well, then this one's a little bit easier. So that's another example that you can hopefully use to help with your homework. Okay.